Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to renew fertilizer insecticide manufacturing license in Maharashtra. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So on this page in the right hand side, on the login section, you have to enter your username, password along with the captcha code. Then select your district and click on the. So after successful logging, you will be provided with a screen where you have to select the agriculture. Then you can choose the sub department as agriculture licensing services. Now look for the service insecticide manufacture renewal license registration. Then you need to click on the proceed button. Then you need to complete the registration form with all the necessary details. Also, provide applicant details and premises details. Then you need to click on the self-declaration checkbox and click on the submit button. And then we shall complete the payment gateway as provided and as to save the acknowledgement for future reference. This application will be proceeded by the respective department. Then we will get the updates of the application status in your mobile through SMS. And we shall use the application number ID to track the application through online portal. Please follow the page prompt to acquire the license as notified. And finally, we get the notification after the issue of the renewal license on our dashboard and then you can download the same. Then there are the required documents of detailed information and then office and location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. Then in fee section for the application for the grant of renewal of your license to manufacture any insecticide shall be made to the licensing officer and shall be accomplished by a fee of rupees 50 for every insecticide for which the license is applied and a maximum of rupees 500. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.